Mona.
And I'm Tina.
And we're
the Lean and Clean team.
We're so glad you're here today. We're going to talk to you about how to use the new chemicals
to get your location clean. Come on, let's get started.
Welcome. In this video, we'll talk you through how to properly prepare cleaning water in the red bucket for maintaining a clean and safe dining room. Before starting, gather everything you need: a red cleaning bucket, approved sanitizer, a clean water source, a gallon container, and testing strips. The red bucket is used specifically for cleaning and sanitizing the dining area. Always check that bucket to make sure it's clean and properly labeled. If the bucket was used previously, rinse and wash it thoroughly before preparing fresh solution. Add lukewarm water up to the number 2 line in the bucket. Pour water from red bucket into a 1-gallon container. Place the tablets into the container. Secure the lid tightly to prevent leakage. Continue shaking until the tablets are fully dissolved. Pour mixture back into the red bucket. Submerge the test strip into the red sanitizer bucket for 25 seconds. Remove the test strip. Compare the color on the strip to the chart provided on the test strip container. Verify that the sanitizer concentration is 400 ppm. If the level is below 400 ppm, add more sanitizer and retest. Obtain a blank food service date label. Write the sanitizer water clearly in the item line. Record today's date in the date section using the standard format: month, day, and time, AM or PM. Write the expiration date in the used by section using the standard format: month, day, and time, AM or PM. Include your initials. Verify all information is complete and legible. Place the label securely to the container, ensuring it is visible and won't peel off during storage. Your red bucket cleaning water is now ready to be used in your dining room. Use the solution to wipe down all tables, chairs, and dining surfaces. Change the solution anytime it becomes dirty or after the 4-hour time period. Did you know? By having a well-maintained dining room, we can create a positive impression on our customers. Cleanliness is essential for food safety, compliance, and customer satisfaction. High cleanliness standards help protect public health and uphold our reputation.